Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to start with the trigonometric ratios. In my previous video I told you about for trigonometry, remember we have to take one right angled triangle only. One right angled triangle, so I have taken one for you, right angled triangle, where angle B is 90 degree, AB is the perpendicular, I have written here perpendicular, AC is the hypotenuse and BC is your base. Okay, and where is the angle of reference? Most important part here is where is the angle of reference? This angle theta is the angle of reference. Okay, so when all these things regarding a triangle, right triangle are clear, then only you can very clearly start with the trigonometric ratios. Remember, we are now going to start with the very interesting topic and very helpful for all of you, and the one which you will find having the maximum application as far as daily life is concerned. So let us start. Stay tuned, keep watching till the end. Now we are going to start with the most interesting part, that is trigonometric ratios. So students, here are our 6 trigonometric ratios. Remember, 6 trigonometric ratios are 6 in number. I will tell you first of all their names. See very carefully. First trigonometric ratio is a sine theta, S-I-N-E, sine theta. Second trigonometric ratio is cosine theta. What you have to do? You simply have to add CO with sine theta. If you add CO, S-I-N-E, you will get the second trigonometric ratio. I am first of all telling you the names only, then I will come to the ratio part. Third trigonometric ratios is called tangent theta, T-A-N-G-E-N-T, tangent theta. This is the third one. Try to remember this in this order only. This will be very helpful for you. Now the fourth, after third one, this is the fourth one. With third, if I add CO tangent, cotangent theta, the name is cotangent theta. And fifth one is new one, secant theta, S-E-C-A-N-T, secant theta. And the sixth one is cosecant. With the fifth one, if I add CO, you will get cosecant. So remember, let us revise very quickly. First one is sine theta, second one is cosine theta, third one is tangent theta, fourth one is cotangent theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. If you remember them in this order, it will be very helpful for you. Now, because these all are the name of the ratios. Ratios of what? Ratios of only 3 sides, perpendicular, hypotenuse and base. Only 3 things we have to involve. 3 sides will be involved in the ratios, and the most important part, the angle of reference is involved here, angle theta. Okay, so this is the sine of angle theta. This is not the product, this is the sine of angle theta. It is written as SIN, short form always we use while doing the calculations. It is called sine theta, SIN. Don't speak it as a sin. It is not sin, it is sine theta. Okay, now what is the ratio sine theta? Ratio sine theta is, remember, perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse, P upon H. Perpendicular was AB in our figure and hypotenuse is AC. Simply you have to put the values. Then we come to the second, cosine theta. In the short form, it is written as cos theta, COS, cos theta, and its value, the ratio is, it is a ratio of base upon hypotenuse. In your figure only, base was BC and hypotenuse was AC, which I have drawn for you in the previous, just now. Now come to the third part, tangent theta. Tangent theta in the short form is written as tan theta. Most interesting thing ever in this trigonometry is your tan theta. Remember, its formula is perpendicular upon base, P upon B. Okay, P upon B, perpendicular upon base. Now the next important part, I am going to tell you the most interesting thing. See why I have written 3 this side and 3 this side. Reason being that you will now remember them in connection with each other. Next 3 we will remember in connection with the first 3. Okay, now see, Next part is cotangent theta. Cotangent theta, and the short form is COT, cot theta. Okay, and see how easy to remember this. It is the reciprocal of tan theta. Okay, so you have to make the line across like this. Tangent theta is the reciprocal of cotangent theta, right? The tangent theta formula is P upon B, but its reciprocal will become B upon P, right? B upon P is the reciprocal of P upon B. So this has become cotangent theta, cot theta. Next one is the secant theta. Secant theta is SEC, and it is only the, how easy to remember its formula. It is the for reciprocal of its neighbor only. Neighbor means the one sitting in the front. That means cosine and secant are reciprocal. Cosine was B by H. It will be H upon B. Then comes the sixth one is cosecant, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta, short form is COSEC, cosecant. We speak it cosecant only, okay? And it is the reciprocal of your sine theta. It is the reciprocal of sine theta. Sine theta is B by H, but the formula of cosecant, its reciprocal will become H upon P. Okay, see how easy to remember. First one is the reciprocal of last one, second one is the reciprocal of fifth one, and the third from here and first from here are the reciprocal of other. Okay, so students, remember these 6, 3 from here and 3 from here trigonometric ratios. Full trigonometry for all the years will be depending upon these formulae only. Today itself please learn them, okay, and learn them in connection only. Sine is the reciprocal of cosecant, cosine is the reciprocal of secant, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, right? And these are the reciprocal of each other. Each other means sine and cosecant, and like this. So now we will have some their reciprocal relations only, right? So there are, because there are 6, so total now we have the following reciprocal relations. We have got the reciprocal relations of trigonometric ratios, okay, T ratios. The short form for these trigonometric ratios is T ratios. So first formula I have just told you, first formula is the sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosecant theta. Okay, you saw sine theta is B by H, but cosecant theta is H upon P. Okay, just now I told you. Then the second formula is of the second and the fifth, that is cos theta is equal to 1 upon secant theta. Then we have third one is the about tan theta. Tan theta is 1 upon cot theta. Okay, because tangent theta was B upon B, but this cotangent theta was B upon P. Okay, clear? So please remember these. Acha, if we have to see the reciprocal relation of cosecant theta, it will become what? Cosecant theta will be 1 by sin theta. Then secant will be 1 upon cosecant theta, and cotangent will be 1 upon tan theta. Okay. Now, based on these formulae only, we have got two very important two formulae, and these are connecting tan, sine and cos. Okay, or you can say tan, reciprocal of tan is cot, and then we have connected here cos and sine. So 3-4 things we have connected with a new set of formulae, right? So first formula is tan theta. We have connected tan, sine and cos. Tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta. Very important formula. Remember, this is the simplest relation between sine, cos and tan, right? The formula is tan theta is equal to sine upon cos theta. Okay, and from where we have got this, we have simply put the value of sine theta. You remember sine theta was perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and if I put the value of cos theta, it was b upon h. Okay, h goes up, so it has become this. And what happened? H and h we can cut from here, and we are left with only p upon b, which is the formula of tan theta only. The second formula is about cot theta, right? So if tan theta is sine by cos, then what will be cot theta? Cot theta will be simply cos upon sine theta, right? Remember, see the connection between tan theta and cot theta. Clear? So these are the reciprocal we know. One is sine by cos and the second one is cos by sine theta. Okay, and this we have got also by putting the value. Tan was p upon b, so cot will be b upon p only, right? So these were some very important formulae regarding trigonometry. Remember students, trigonometry is totally based upon the formula. The more you learn, the more you will be having the mastery over this topic. Okay, so stay tuned. This was my second capsule on trigonometry, and stay tuned, more capsules will be coming. There is a lot more interesting in the trigonometry part. Okay, and I am sure after a few days you will find this to be your best and the most interesting topic, most favorite topic of mathematics, right? Okay, so students, one more thing I want to tell you today. I want to thank all my subscribers, because in few days only, with your support, with your love and with your encouragement, I have crossed more than 100 subscribers. Okay, thank you very much. Keep up your support and stay tuned, and please keep watching my next videos on trigonometry. Thank you very much.